On today's occasions, me and my team will be presenting about management. Now, before we go into the presentations, it will be better to know who are doing the presentations, right? So, let me show you my team. Now, in these presentations, we'll be talking a lot about management. So, without further ado, let's start the presentation.
Okay, so here I will explain a little bit what we will discuss from our presentation. Problem background of our presentation. In an ever-changing world, management is becoming a critical skill. Then, helping organization achieve goals effectively and efficiently. Last, integrating human resource, technology, and strategy. Understanding the definition, function, and role of management is very important. Here is a brief explanation of why it is important. And first, definition of management. Understanding what management is allow us to know the basic concept and objective of management activities. The definition of management provides foundation for understanding the principle of managing an organization effectively. Second, management function. Knowing the function of management, such as planning, organizing, directing, and controlling, help us understand how management is helping in practice. By understanding the definition, function, and role of management, we can better evaluate and optimize the management of the organization to achieve the desired result. They provides a comprehensive overview of the management topic that will be cover cover our presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nashwa Azalia Rahma with the student number 24070303162. Here I will explain about the definition of management. Management is the process of coordinating and overseeing the activities of an organization, effectively utilizing resources to achieve organizational goals, working with and to people to accomplish strategy objective. And then the next slide, we have the key component of management. The first we have the strategy planning. Strategy planning is the process used by organization to formulate long-term strategy to achieve their goal and vision. And then we have the research allocation. Research allocation management is a process that involves managing and distributing research, such as finance, time, labor, and material effectively and efficiently to achieve organizational goals. And then we have the decision making. Management decision making is a process used to select the best alternative action in order to achieve organizational goals. And then we have the leadership. Leadership in management is the one of the main components that play an important role in generating, motivating, and inspiring team to achieve organizational goals. Effective leadership can improve team performance, create a positive work environment, and support the achievement of the company's strategic goals. And then we have the performance optimization. Work optimization management is a process to aim to increase efficiency and effectiveness in work or organizational operation by maximizing the use existing research such as time, labor, and material to achieve optimal result. And then we gonna talk about the why managements matter. The first we have the provide direction. Providing direction in a management context is very important because direction function as a clear guide for team members or organization in achieving predetermined goals. And then we have the drive innovation. Encouraging innovation is the main drive of organizational progress and competitiveness. In a management context, encouraging innovation means creating an environment that supports the emergence of new ID, experimentation, and continuous improvement that can improve quality of product, service, process in the organization. And then we have the ensure efficiency. Ensuring efficiency directly to relate organization ability to maximize result by minimizing to research use such as time, labor, and cost. In management context, efficiency is very important to achieve organizational goals optimally without waste. And then we have the facilitates growth. Facilitating growth as health sustainable growth is the main goal for most organizations. In a management context, facilitating growth means creating an environment and condition that allow an organization to develop better in terms of revenue, market, product, or human research. And then the last one, we have the coordinate team effort. Coordinating team effort is the one key roles in management and ensure that every team member is working toward the same goal in organized, efficient manner. In a management context, coordinating is critical to achieve optimal research, avoiding conflict, and harnessing the team collective strength. And then next slide, we have the type of management. The first is strategy management. Strategy management refers to process used by organization to formulate, implement, and evaluate decisions that can achieve long-term goals. This involves identifying external opportunity and threat as well as internal strength and weakness that affect organization position in the market. And then we have the operational management. Operational management is a branch of management that focuses on managing and supervising the production process and delivering goods and service to customer. And then we have the human resource management. Human resource management is a branch of management that focuses managing and developing workforce in an organization. The main goal is to ensure the organization has qualified, skilled, and motivated human resource to support achieve of organizational goals. In a practice, HR management include various activities related to recruitment, training, development, compensation, employment relation, and etc. guys. And then we have the financial management. Financial management is a branch of management that concerns with planning, organizing, controlling, and supervising an organization financial research to achieve certain goal. In more detail, financial management include activity related to capital management, investment decision making, financial risk management, as well as regulating the expenditure and receipt of fund. And then the last one, we have the project management. Project management is the discipline to involve planning, organizing, controlling, and supervising all aspects of a project to achieve established goal in efficient and effective manner. The main project management is to complete the project according to the specific scope, time, cost, and quality. Thank you.
Hey, thank you, Naswa, for the great presentations. Now, let's talk about the fundamental functions of management. Now, management have four fundamental functions, that is planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling. First, let's talk about planning here. Planning is the foundations of an effective management. Planning involves setting a clear objective and determining the best strategies to achieve them. It's like creating a roadmap for the organization's future. Manager analyze the current conditions, forecast the potential challenge, and develop a comprehensive actions that guide the entire team's effort into achieving a successful objective. Next is organizing. Once a plan is in place, manager must structure the organization to implement it effectively. This function involves arranging resources, assigning responsibility, and creating a clear organization structure. It's about putting the right people in the right positions, allocating resources efficiently, and establishing communication channels that support the organization's goals. The third function is actualizing, also known as leading. This is where managers motivate and inspire their team to turn plans into an actions. It involves communication, leadership, and the ability to encourage employees to work towards a common objective. Good actuating means understanding individual teams, member motivation, providing guidance, and creating an environment that promotes productivity and engagement. Now, finally, we have controlling. This function ensure that the organization stays on track. It manage, monitor pro- on track. Manager monitors performance, compare actual result, compare actual result with plan objective, and make necessary adjustment. It's like a continuous feedback loop that helps identify potential issues early and keeps the organization moving towards its goal. Through controlling, managers can correct the deviations and maintain overall effectiveness. These four functions are interconnected and cyclical. They work together to help organizations navigate challenge, maximize resources, and achieve success. And that is it, the fundamental function of management.
Hello guys, my name is Frisman Darasyat. Okay, digital transformation. The process of changing the way an organization operates using digital technology. It involves integrating advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analysis into all business process. Managers are required to understand new technology, implement them effectively, and ensure the security of information system. They must be able to identify the right technologies, train employees, and create an innovative digital culture. Employee engagement. Understanding what motivates employees is crucial, yet challenging. Modern management theories suggest that motivation extends beyond monetary rewards to include factors like job satisfaction and workplace culture. Managers must navigate these diverse motivational factors to foster engagement effectively. Integration of remote work. The rise of remote work has transformed traditional management practice. Managers face challenges in maintaining team cohesion, communication, and productivity when team members are dispersed geographically. This shift necessitates new strategies for collaboration and performance management. Last is cultural diversity. As organizations become more globalized, managing a cultural diverse workforce presents unique challenge. Understanding different cultural perspectives and fostering an inclusive environment is essential but can be difficult for managers who may not have experience in cross-cultural dynamics.